Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a topic about delayed marriages. The delayed marriages shows impact on three generations: the older generation, the future generation, and the younger generation of their own self. The hierarchy of birth and growth of next generation children will have impact on their past two generations for their happy growth and development on all fronts of life. Every couple desires to finally settle in their life as they approach their 60s age. They expect to complete the marriage of their children, and by the time they approach their 70s, they look forward to play with their adolescent grandchildren and to contribute something to the society in their own way. Recent trends of late marriages in India. However, as the IT and service sector opened up with early career entry and faster growth in domestic and international job arena, the present youth are delaying their marriages either by their wish or by the circumstantial preferences of choosing a spouse, which is becoming more and more clumsy. Unfortunately, the existing parents are also partly responsible for the delay in marriages. In these situations, the marriage age for girls are pushed up between 26 to 30, and for the gents it is further pushed to 28 to 32 years. The delay in getting marriage is creating a sort of extra efforts to mingle with each other, as both are busy in their own professions, leaving their parents in a sensitive situation who are into their over and above 60s of age. Very few new couple are staying with their parents after their marriage due to career options or otherwise. The effect of delayed marriages on the couple. The gap between career settlement and the marriage settlement is creating a verge between their interdependency, as they are used to their independency for the past 3 to 4 years after their settlement in career. Each one will pursue their own lifestyles instead of having a harmonious common lifestyle. This invisible partition between them delays their thinking for producing the next generation kids for many reasons best known, social or unknown, medical to them. The delay in the marriage age and further delay in trying for kids is leading to more fertility problems, causing worry to the couple as well as to their both families, who will be eagerly waiting for their grandchildren. All these together are putting more and more pressure on the couple, who are wondering why the birth of children is getting delayed. Unfortunately, due to their career work pressures, also their efforts to think for the children is not rectifying in time for many couples. Marriage is bonding of two loving persons and their families also. Yes, marriage is actually a true friendship. Two cultures, two families, two persons together with a bond of love, respect, understanding, and belief. A legal and spiritual connection, the biggest celebration, and the most memorable loving moment. A beautiful transformation in two's life, a step to begin in the new life. It's the marriage, not only for two people, it is the bond between two families, a true friendship. Have children at appropriate age. There are so many factors comes into the way, but the fertility age factor is always very predominant. So there are so many scientific reasonings, but right time, right age for right next generation. The choice is in our hands. Try to have two children with appropriate age gap between them. As discussed earlier, it is better to plan for two kids before the mother is less than 34 to 35 years of age, so that the pregnancy and the delivery will be normal. For example, if a girl gets married at the age of 24 to 25 years, then she can plan for the first child at her 26 to 27 years of age and the second child at 29 to 30 years. And suppose she has a second child at her 30 years of age, so the couple can have a very well plan for the future and complete their familial obligations and wishes by the time the couple becomes 60 to 64 years age. If there are two children in a house with appropriate age gap of around 2 to 3 years, then both the siblings will develop the traits of sharing things, playing and reading together and also growing together in harmony. Hence, the marriage and childbirths should not be delayed. If these children have chance to spend splendid time with their parents and their grandparents, the life will be joyful, wonderful and meaningful. So have a long-term plan for the three generations to be happy. Be wise and be sure of your choices in your life. Have an amazing life. Thank you.